Step into the world of sleek Scandinavian design with these stunning IKEA Lerhyttan black-stained kitchens. In this video, we'll explore 5 unique styles, from compact and minimalist to spacious L-shaped and U-shaped layouts, each tailored to fit different needs and spaces. Paired with elegant oak, veneer countertops, these kitchens create a perfect blend of modern sophistication and timeless warmth. Whether you're dreaming of a bold statement or a cozy, functional hub, let these designs inspire your next kitchen transformation. We've captured both videos and photos of these beautiful kitchens to give you a complete look at their unique details and layouts. We hope you enjoy this journey through inspiring designs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more ideas and tips. Let's dive in.